James here from GoodGuitarist.com, and I am very excited to share a free tool that I created to help you on your guitar journey. It's called the Song Finder, and you can access it on my website with no sign up required. You can input your skill level, the chords you know, or a strumming pattern, and it will suggest songs for you to learn. And each suggestion links to lessons and resources to help you master your favorite songs. So let's dive in and see how it works. So we'll start on the Good Guitarist homepage, and you'll see at the top here it says Songs. And here we have the Song Finder, and you can find whatever song you need for your level. I like going with number of chords, so you can select, say, a 3-chord song, and then you can click on basic chords, and you can find the chords that you know. So maybe you know the G chord and the C chord. And as you click on those chords, you'll see that it reduces the number of options. So songs that have G, C tend to have D as well. And there you go. You'll find all the songs that are 3-chord songs that use G, C, and D. And say you don't want to learn any of those, you just click Reset Filters, and then you have the whole collection once again. And let's say we want to practice a particular strumming pattern. Well, you'll see if you click on Strumming Pattern, I just have the exact same pictures that you see in my videos. So this is the most common strumming pattern ever: down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. Click on that, and here are all the songs that use it. And maybe you want to also do a simpler song. So when I click on number of chords, you'll see it says 2, and then it has in brackets 2. That's how many songs are going to show up. So there are 2-chord songs that use the most common strumming pattern ever. There's 29 4-chord songs. So here are all the 4-chord songs that use the strumming pattern down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. And you'll see that there's 29 of them in this list here. And you can just click Load More when you get to the end of the list. And you can just pick whichever one you want to learn there. We'll reset the filters once again. You can go by artist, decade, genre, time signature. And something I'd like to clarify here. Most songs are in 4/4 time. See, there's 277 of those. That's way more than any other one. And then I have 4/4 double length. That means the strumming pattern is twice as long, or a 16th note strumming pattern. Then we have songs in 3/4, 6/8, and so on. So you can practice whichever time signatures you like. If you're into more advanced chords, I wanted to keep it simple because there's like a billion types of chords. So you can just click bar chords or slash chords, 7th chords, whatever you like, and you'll get those songs. They'll pop up. And finally, we can keep it simple and just go with the difficulty. And I kind of just followed a bit of a formula. Of course, there are songs that are going to have really easy elements and maybe some challenging elements and whatnot. But, if you're an absolute beginner, click absolute beginner. These are all pretty much 2-chord songs with really easy strumming and everything like that. So all in all, this is the Song Finder. You can also search for songs. It's going to help you find the right song for you. As always, if you need any help with the actual skills to play the songs, you can click on courses at the top here, and you can check out, I have a bunch of courses. Learn Guitar Once and For All is designed for people just getting started, or maybe things have never clicked for them, and so on. I just added acoustic blues. Please check those out, and have a fun time practicing your favorite songs with the Song Finder, and I'll see you next time. Take care.